Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are learning about switch statement. Switch statement is really helpful for you want to make a decision of your code using the switch statement. Okay, you previously learned conditional statement, if else statement. Okay, both the if else and if else conditional statement and a switch conditional statement both are same. But what is the why was learn switch statement? If you write a range or a complex condition, you use if else statement. But you learn one variable get many values, use the switch, switch statement. If when you are affordable, okay. Switch statement, you one variable get many values that time only use. It is faster and easy readable. Okay, I explain you example with one example. I declare one variable, it is a day. Okay, it is a any number 3. I use switch statements, switch is day. What is a switch? Inside it is a expression. Okay, say expression. Okay, what is the give the variable that inside the you give day. Okay, next open parenthesis. Next you give case. What is the case? Case means you check the values. What is check value? You check once, we print. Then day 3 equal to case 1. 1 means values. 1 equal to 3? No. Check system.out.print. Sunday. Okay. Next, I give the break. Why? When condition meet, break. Next, next case 2. System dot, I copy that value. Monday. Okay. Next, case 3. Tuesday. Okay. Next, case 4. Wednesday. Okay, you give etc. Any in how many you give, any words you give. Okay, next I give you, this condition is false, get you print default. Okay, now run the program. Now why is print it? Now not I give, not give break statement. Okay, now is 3 is to stay. Okay, how is work? First day is come. Next check the case 1 equal to 3. No, jump to case 2. 2 equal to 3. No, jump to case 3. 3 equal to 3. Yes, now print it, break after, leave the loop, leave the condition. Okay, Now understood? Without break, what is the output? I show you effort of the break. Now without break, now check case 3. Now print the Tuesday. Next also next condition also execute the program. Tuesday, Wednesday not found. These three condition print. Okay, okay, understood? Tuesday, Wednesday not found. Output. Okay, now clear understood? Why is break? I written this. Okay, I explain another program. Hmm, like one string variable. Okay, string like apple fruit. Okay, fruit. Okay, the expression is fruit. Okay, now check apple is. Now check the apple. Apple is red. Apple's color is red. Okay, next banana. Banana is yellow. Next grapes. Grapes is blue. Next, what fruit? Banana, apple, mm, orange. Orange is color is orange. Okay. Oh, default output not print. Okay. Now understood. When meet apple print. When meet banana print yellow. When meet grapes print blue. When meet okay this now okay. When meet orange print orange. Okay. This is this okay. This is this is this is okay. Now run the output. This is a red. Okay, now how to work you understood. Now come, now check the apple expression is came. Now fruits came. Now check the apple print this red. Okay, next change the output. Banana this yellow. Now clearly understood how is work the switch statement. Okay, thanks for watching my videos.